Hi there, Miss Sophie. My name is Kath, and I am excited to introduce myself as your potential virtual assistant. I come with 4 years of experience in virtual assistance, where I've honed my skills in calendar management, email handling, research, and data entry. I'm passionate about ensuring smooth operations and boosting productivity. From managing calendars to handling emails, I thrive on creating organized and efficient workflows. I pride myself on being tech savvy and adaptable to new tools and platforms, whether it's scheduling appointments, conducting research, or handling administrative tasks. I'm here to make your life easier. Communication is the key, and I make it a priority. I believe in clear and timely communication to ensure we're always on the same page. So I'm eager to bring my skills